Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Monday.com for your 2025 content strategy planning. First things first, create a new board for your content strategy. This is your command center, where you'll track all content-related tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to columns. These are your categories such as deadline, team member responsible, and status. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place. Next up, we're going to add items, which are your individual tasks. Each item could be a blog post, a social media update, or a podcast episode. This helps us because each item has its own line, making it easy to manage and update. Now, this is where it gets fun. We're going to use automations, which help you automate your workflow. For example, you can set up an automation to change the status of a task to done when a deadline is met. Let me explain why this matters. Automations save you time by handling repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on creating great content. Finally, we're going to use integrations to connect Monday.com with your other tools. For instance, you can connect your Google Drive to easily attach documents to items. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you integrate your tools, you're creating a central hub for your content strategy, making it easier to collaborate and stay organized. In conclusion, Monday.com can be a game changer for your content strategy planning. With its intuitive interface, automation features, and integration capabilities, it simplifies your workflow and keeps your team on track. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a productive 2025.